How to create an account on Epic Games Mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have also downloaded the Epic Games Store on your mobile device, here's how you can easily create an account. So first, just head over to your Epic Games Store application and simply start the application just like this. And here you'll still be getting different options to sign in with. So since we don't have an account, I will simply create an account button over here. And here you should see all of the screen. You must answer these questions to get into the another screen. So from over here you can simply enter your date of birth just like this. So let me just quickly fill that up real quick. And once you fill up all of your details just like this, you can simply check or uncheck this box. And for this terms and condition, you must check this box and just click on continue. And it will send you the 6-digit code, that is OTP, to your registered Gmail. So I'll simply check out my Gmail. So as you can see, it has arrived over here. So I'll simply copy it and simply click on verify email. And just like that, you can easily link your account to Xbox as well as PlayStation and Nintendo as well. So for now, I'll simply click on done linking. So that is actually how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.